Hello viewers, welcome to Happy Streamers. Today I'll show you how to create Instagram page for business. First open your Instagram account. Then from the bottom right corner, go to your profile. Then from the top, click your username. Then click add account. Then go to create new account. Now write a username for your business page. Click continue. Now click add account. Click public. Now add a profile photo or you can add later. Click OK. Click arrow icon from the top right corner or you can follow some people. Now from the bottom right corner, click the new profile. Then from the top right corner, click the hamburger icon. Now go to setting and privacy. Scroll down, go to account types and tools. Now click switch to professional account. Continue, continue. Select what business you are doing. I am selecting clothing. Then click display on profile. Now click done. Now select business, click next. Click next again. Now add your phone number, your business address, and you can display contact info. Then click next. Now you can connect to Facebook. That's all. Your professional business account has been created. Now complete your profile and do the rest of them. That's all. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.